Amazing facts about crows. Meet the crow, nature's crafty genius. These black-feathered birds aren't just smart, they're incredibly adaptable too. Their intelligence level matches that of a 7-year-old human child. Did you know crows recognize faces? They can remember who's been kind and who's been cruel. But that's not all, they also use tools to gather their food. Crows have complex social structures, they live in large family groups. Fascinatingly, they even hold funerals for their fallen companions. These birds communicate through a wide range of calls. Each chicot is a message in the crow language. So next time you spot a crow, remember, there's more than meets the eye with these feathered intellectuals.